guys, I am still here in Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking on a trail called the Dunbar Recovery Loop. It's a 2.4 or 2.9 mile loop through the woods, and I'm just so excited because if you guys watch my videos, you guys will see that cruising and hiking are my two favorite things to do, and I'm just so excited that I get to hike here in Tennessee today. Are you ready for a hike, mi amor?
No bicycle.
Hey, are you excited? Are you excited, Mom? All right, we got the park rules right here. All pets must be on a leash. Please stay on the trail. No bicycles on trails. No feed. Do not feed the wildlife. No fishing in the lake. Take your trash out with you, of course, and if you see any, pick it up. Well, that's my rule.
Out of sand, reaching for the ground.
All right, you guys, so this is a 2.4 mile trail. It's really good for pets on a leash or kids that can walk. I read that it was family friendly, so we decided to bring my granddaughter in her stroller, and it's not stroller friendly at all. So my son-in-law went to take the stroller back to the car, and hopefully the carrier is in there so we can
There's a bug on me. Mom, I'm not made for this.
Oh my gosh, I am. I love it. I love it. Look at how beautiful it is, you guys.
I could look at it from Google Images.
I gotta hear this all the way. She belongs in where?
New York City or the couch in a house.
Not here? In this beautiful, beautiful
I know, but that's why you open your door.
trail, nature. This is like your front yard, huh?
Yes, so why can't I go home?
Because you're here with us. And my Chunkies is here with us. Huh, my Chungly Wungies? You're having fun, huh? This is so cool. You're doing what Grandma loves to do. All right, let's go check out the sign here. This is the recovery loop, the one that we're going to do. It's 2.4 miles. And there's a short loop that I'm not exactly sure how long it is, but I'm going on the 2.4.
Tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
All right, you guys, I'm using my DJI, and unfortunately I don't have zoom in this camera, but there's a deer right in front of me. So pretty. It's pretty far for the camera to catch probably, but hopefully we see more. All right, so the path is covered with leaves, but you have these little hiking signs on the trees that'll guide you, so you won't get lost. She hates hiking. She's a city girl.
I'm a sit down girl.
My happy place. Besides cruising, I just got to do this more often because it's been a long time since I've been hiking. However, I like hiking when I go to different states, and this is the first time I'm here in Tennessee, so I wanted to do a trail here. And Kentucky isn't so too far from here. It's about 20 to 30 minutes, the border of Kentucky, and I've been looking on trails out there, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it. But this one I definitely wanted to try. And it's gorgeous. All the leaves are falling off the trees. Looks like it's snowing leaves. And it's not a long trail at all. It's only 2.4 miles. So, all right, we're not lost yet. How you doing? Okay, you got it. It's only 2.5 miles. Not bad at all.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale, the world in hand.
All right, so once we get to the visiting center, I'm gonna try to get some info on the caves, because there's caves that people can go in and explore. However, you need a pass, like a tour pass. So I'm gonna go check that out. When I looked online, everything was sold out. But there's some awesome caves that you could go in. And I'm gonna see if there's any reservations that we can maybe book so we can go in them. If not, then this is it, just the trail. And I don't mind just doing the trail because it is gorgeous. So if you guys come hiking out here, you guys have to really be careful because there's a lot of rocks and what do you call those? Not steps, these right here, roots sticking out of the ground, and if you don't watch your step, you can trip and fall. You wouldn't fall hard. There's so many leaves, but still, you just gotta watch your step here. I am dripping. I haven't hiked in a long, long time. Definitely going to start, but you know what? The trails I like to go to in California are nothing like this.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Let a path.
Alright, so they have little benches here if you want to take a break and enjoy all the beautifulness out here. Oh, it's pretty steep right now. Oh, man. I just hope there's no snakes here because definitely would step on one. So I keep looking down just to make sure. We haven't seen any more deer. We did see some beautiful birds, some blue jays. Holy moly. That was a steep hill. Alyssa said that was her final resting place. She's such a lazy girl. Then she asked me, since when do you love nature so much? I'm like, girl, I've always loved nature. Well, I never seen you hiking before. No, because I was always working. I did have a job at one point, driving school buses, and then jobs before that. So I didn't have time to go hiking. Feels amazing here. All right, so if we would have taken the short loop, this is the way we would have came out. So we're pretty close to ending this trail. Pretty close to finishing our hike. I love this. I repeat, I love this so much. All right, so it's been like 5 minutes and I'm still sitting here. Oh my gosh. So from Alyssa's mouth, what did you just say a little while ago?
You ate crap.
No, but before that,
You always fall?
how do I manage to fall at every hike that I go to? I just get comfortable and
they
I
get funnier and funnier. I mean, it could have been dangerous.
yeah, this
I
one was
waited to laugh. Kind of. I laughed first, and then I was like, "Are you okay?" And then when I see you laughing, I laughed more.
oh my gosh. So I've fallen, I think, on every hike that I've been on, especially with her. She's my bad luck, I think.
That's nasty.
And I even fell on the cruise ship when I went on the Carnival Mardi Gras. If you watch those videos, I fell too. And Dina wasn't there to help me because the 80s party was on and she was over there dancing already and I was sitting on the ground. And the funny part was that this man, very nice man, comes to me and looks down at me and goes, "Did you fall?" And I look up at him and I felt like saying, "No, I just wanted to see what the view looked like from down here." So that's what I'm doing now. I just wanted to see what the view looked down here, like down here.
Oh, and you were in a hurry to see the view.
And I scraped my elbow. That's probably the only part I hurt, my elbow.
That you noticed. So.
That I noticed. I'll probably be sore tomorrow, but that's okay. I'm still down to come hiking again. Chungy, were you taking a break while Grandma was on the floor? Chungy wongies. All right, we made it to the lake. There's the lake. Yep.
Alligator.
Where? There's no alligators.
There's crocodiles.
It is a crocodile.
I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
All right, so I think I found where the caves are at. However, we might not be able to go in there because we didn't buy a ticket. They're all sold out. But it'll be interesting just to go see maybe the outside of it. All right, so I'm okay from my fall. Got a scratch on my elbow, scratch on my foot, and that's it. Nothing else. I didn't really get hurt. I slipped and I fell on my back, so my backpack kind of like blocked me from hitting that wooden step that was there. Whew. So it's my backpack has saved me quite a few times.
There was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond
All right, so I'm not sure what this is here, but maybe a little cave. But the real caves are way over here. And unless you have a ticket or a tour planned, you can't go in there. But we're gonna go check it out. All right, so if we had a pass or a tour, this is where you would go into the caves, right in here. You do have to bring your own flashlight because there is no light in there. So, but they were sold out, so this is all we can see right now.
Come here, buddy. Let me take your pants off. Come here. Come here and take your pants off. Quiet.
All right, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but there's two turtles just standing over there along the little lake right there. They're right around there, so you might not see them. And again, I have my DJI Osmo, so I cannot zoom in, but hopefully you guys can see them. One of them's moving, the bigger one's walking right now. So pretty. Well, besides two deers and blue jays. Now I saw some turtles, and that's about it. No other animals.
Easy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys are ever in Tennessee, over in the Clarksville area, come check out this trail, come check out the caves. I wish I would have booked a cave tour like a lot sooner, but they're sold out for the month of November. And so maybe next time I come visit my daughter, I'll come check it out and film it for you guys. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Bye.